Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'll show you how to collect soil in Astroneer. This is especially useful for using the Soil Centrifuge, where you can get compounds and all of these materials from soil. So to begin, first of all, we will need to collect the materials to make the small canister in which we will place the soil in. So to get it, we'll need to collect some resin, and resin can be found on every planet on the surface, can be found on the starting planet also, and it is going to look like these yellowish tubes that are sticking out of the ground. As you can see, this is resin. Pick out your mining tool and mine some resin, and then when you hear this ping, this means that you've collected one resin. Now, inside of your backpack, go to the bottom, and here, go through these arrows and search for the recipe small canister. Once you do, and have a resin at this slot, click this green button to craft the small canister. Now once you have the small canister in your backpack, pick out your mining tool and just go ahead and mine the ground. You'll see this circle around my cursor is going to be filling up with this blue kind of indication. And once it's full, you want to go to your backpack, and here you'll see that you have a full canister of soil. If it's not full, this thing is going to be showing you orange, just like this. And once it's full, you'll see that it is green and can be used inside of this soil centrifuge. So this is pretty much all, how to get soil in Astroneer. Make sure to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.